thunderstorm warning for northeastern Dane County in south central Wisconsin,
That's us.
northwestern Jefferson County in southeastern Wisconsin, southwestern Dawes
Okay,
County
this is a
in
fail, this is a
southeastern
fail, this is a fail,
Wisconsin
this is a
until
fail,
5:30
this is a fail.
At 4:49 p.m.,
Only one
a
went
severe
off?
thunderstorm was located near Waterloo, moving southeast at 25 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Watertown, Jefferson, Columbus, Waterloo, Johnson Creek, Milford,
That's our county.
Reedsville, Richwood, Danville, and Hubbleton. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
All right.
This is the
This is for us.
National Weather Service in Milwaukee Sullivan has issued a severe thunderstorm warning
Yep,
for
this is for
northeastern Dane County in south central Wisconsin, northwestern Jefferson County in southeastern Wisconsin until 5:45 p.m. At 5:03 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Sun Prairie, moving southeast at 25 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Sun Prairie, Lake Mills, Marshall, Waterloo, Deerfield, Deansville, and East Bristol. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Another alert. Oh, double header. Double header.
The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 655, effective until 10 p.m. This watch includes the following counties in Wisconsin: Dane, Greene, Iowa, Jefferson,
That's my
Kenosha,
county.
Lafayette, Milwaukee, Racine, Rock, Walworth, and Waukesha, and the following: nearshore waters by Port Washington to North Point Lighthouse, nearshore waters from North Point Lighthouse to Wind Point,
That was
nearshore
unexpected.
waters from Wind Point to Windsor Harbor, Illinois, Lake Michigan from Port Washington to North Point Lake, Wisconsin, 5 nautical miles offshore to mid-lake, Lake Michigan from North Point Lake to Wind Point, Wisconsin, 5 nautical miles offshore to mid-lake,
That's our county.
Lake Michigan from Wind Point, Wisconsin to Windsor Harbor, Illinois, 5 nautical miles offshore to mid-lake, Lake Michigan from Windsor Harbor to Wilmette Harbor, Illinois, 5 nautical miles offshore to mid-lake, and Windsor Harbor to Wilmette Harbor, Illinois, and the following counties in Illinois: Boone, Lake, and McHenry. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds, in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information.
thunder. Severe thunderstorm warning.
The National Weather Service in Milwaukee-Sullivan has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Dane County in south central Wisconsin,
That's our county.
Jefferson County in southeastern Wisconsin,
Yep, that's our county.
southwestern Dodge County in southeastern Wisconsin until 6:15 p.m. At 5:26 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Marshall to near Watertown, moving southeast at 30 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and penny-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Watertown, Fort Atkinson, Jefferson, Lake Mills, Marshall, Waterloo, Johnson Creek, Cambridge, Lac La Belle, Lake Ripley, Oxonia, Rome, Milford, Sullivan, Deonsville, Hubbleton, Pipersville, Helenville, National Weather Service Milwaukee-Sullivan, and Lake Lac La Belle. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Another one.
The National Weather Service in Milwaukee-Sullivan has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Jefferson County in southeastern Wisconsin until 7 p.m. At 6:08 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Jefferson, moving southeast at 20 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail.
Storms are
Source,
intensifying
radar
pretty
indicated.
quickly. Like,
Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected.
storms.
Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Whitewater, Fort Atkinson, Jefferson, Palmyra, Lake Koshkonong, Rome, and Hebron. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Severe thunderstorm warning.
National Weather Service in Milwaukee-Sullivan has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Walworth County in southeastern Wisconsin, northeastern Rock County in south central Wisconsin, southeastern Jefferson County in southeastern Wisconsin until 7:15 p.m. At 6:32 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Whitewater, moving southeast at 25 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Whitewater, Fort Atkinson, Palmyra, Lake Koshkonong, Richmond, Long Range, Hebron, Tibbetts, Millard, and Lima Center.
Yeah, that's
People attending a
pretty close
Whitewater
to us.
campus should seek safe shelter immediately. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Some clouds developing. Look at that. Wow.